Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another base website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning website, and this is the website. This website pay you Bitcoin Cash 80 Satoshi every 1 minute. This website pay you unlimited time claim per day. And first of all, go to your deposit, copy your Bitcoin Cash wallet address from here, come down, and this is your Bitcoin Cash wallet address. Copy it and come here, paste it. Sorry, sometimes show you some advertisement, and just delete the Bitcoin Cash. Okay, just type this little capture is a white as snow. Okay, just solve this little capture too. You can solve it very easily, and you can make your free withdrawal instantly in your Faucetpay. This will be pay you after 10 seconds. You will be able to get reward your free withdrawal. Okay, I wait 2 3 1 and just get reward. Okay, and I wait few seconds to reload the page and show me this website pay me or not. Okay, you can see this website pay me instantly. This my Satoshi to my Faucetpay. I go to my Faucetpay, show you this website pay 100% and 100% free website forward draw, and you can see this website pay me instantly into my Faucetpay. This much BCH. And thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. This website link available in the description. Bye bye.